Wow. Harvey milked mustache tonight. Thank you. I see a birthday person somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. Thank you for not canning. Can we get a word?
Door handle.
Door handle!
Shh, he's gonna be here any minute. Okay, you're not stressed out about surprises.
I am so excited. He's gonna be so excited.
Yeah, when Dad gets home, I know he's been at war. When he comes back, yeah, we're gonna give him the best welcome back from the war birthday party joint festa ever!
Okay, I can do this, I can do this.
Surprise! Sorry, oh my god, my kids and my wife. Sorry, I've been at war for so long, and there was a predator. It's a real thing. I've just been killing, and some of them are invisible. It's just just don't jump out at me is what I'm saying.
That's what war is, honey. There are predators and there are bad men.
But you're safe now. You always love surprises.
I used to love surprises. That was before I dug my sharp tooth saber into a predator's belly. Pulled it all the way up. At least I assumed it was up. He's invisible until he dies. Through his head.
This is too much for me to handle.
I know, baby D. I know. But you all need to hear it. I can't handle any surprises anymore. For the rest of my life.
Could I just have a hug and not a gunshot, please?
Yeah, but walk tenderly over. Let me hang my knife.
When you shot the bullets, one of them ricocheted and hit my arm.
I thought this was going to be an appropriate time to tell you this. I don't mean to throw it on you, Dad. I'm saying I'm gay.
Surprise!
Nobody's surprised by that.
I'm surprised.
What? Dad?
In predator culture, 90% of them are homosexual. 10% of them are, they call it disgusting in their language, but it means heterosexual in ours.
So why is it surprising that he's gay?
Because I've been so immersed in the predator culture.
Are you saying our brother's a predator?
No! Who said that?
I think you were equating. I'm just glad you didn't shoot any more guns, honey, or do any sort of violent acts.
There aren't any predators here in San Jose, California. So you're safe.
I mean, we're inside of a church. What could go wrong?
We're living in a church.
We live. Surprise!
No! Honey, no!
Don't shoot Jesus.
PTSD has been getting better. I think the therapy is working.
Do tell.
Yeah, the immersive dreaming has kept your outbursts to a minimal. You barely shot your flamethrower and gun.
I haven't shot my wife in a good 4 months.
Yes, this is progress.
Where's my medal?
Right here.
Oh, what? Oh my god. That was a joke. I've been introducing humor to my, PTSD type stuff.
Honey? Oh God. I warmed up the Volvo. So, when you're ready, I'll be ready.
I understand you don't like cold boat.
Wait, Doc, that also could have been a text, am I right? She could have texted me. I would have looked at my phone on the way to the car.
I'm here to help you deal with your PTSD. I'm not a marriage counselor.
Well, is the marriage counselor in the building?
Yes. two doors down.
Wow. Hey, thank you for having an opening right now.
A lot of divorces in America lately.
Hey, did you read my medical file about how my wife will pop into my therapy appointments and tell me about where she parked the car, even though she could have texted me where she...
Honey, I got 2 submarine sandwiches. One to...
You should leave him. He shot you.
No,
Are you hearing this? Oh.
but it's most she's penetrated me with in years.
Better than a bullet.
Sorry, but I just miss the feeling of hot.
Get a rabbit.
It's supposed to penetrate me?
Listen, when a man gave me a bullet, I said, "Where is the bazooka, honey?" Am I right? We're 5 Samanthas. We're 5 Samanthas.
I know, and as a Samantha, I love the sex and penetration, but as a woman, I feel degraded.
Samantha is a woman. You can be both.
We're all Samantha!
We're all Samanthas. We're all Samantha.
I've got a rabbit in me right now.
You got a rabbit.
You've got a rabbit in me
Right now, biological or mathematical?
Mathematical.
Okay, good.
I'm not on my period. I wouldn't need a biological one.
Let's unpack that later. Once we split the bill.
Sure. These mimosas are great. I love blood orange.
Samantha 5, you've been dating someone new.
I have. Thanks for throwing me under the bus.
Hey,
So
There's no secrets among
are
Samantha.
you dating a bus?
Well, he plows me like a bus.
Beep beep, who got the keys to my clit?
I heard his bus circles the children's block.
Oh my god, CHKD, we got a Pegasus flying in. Her clit needs saving.
What's the HKD?
Children's Hospital of Kings Dominion, Virginia. That's our Oh, it's so hard being a Samantha.
I'm horny.
I'm horny.
I'm gonna get on the public bus right now.
I'm gonna get a public bus ride with you, Samantha.
And I'm gonna use my tap card if it weren't sopping wet.
Where do you keep it?
And my wallet.
Just where do you keep that?
Y'all have lost me because my wallet is a metaphor for my cootie coo. Cheers!
Hey, Predator. It's,
Caught me. How you doing?
Come to this jungle often?
Yeah, this is kind of just where I live, you know. I, inhabit this jungle. I live up in the trees. Whenever a passerby comes down, I swoop down and catch you.
Yeah, no, that's why I set up all those signals, because I know how dangerous you are.
Judson, I think that predator is straight.
There's 90% gay.
Just look at me acting.
The white socks with the black shoes kind of
Should have been a dead giveaway.
sense of style.
All right, I'll
They're usually invisible.
ask him one question.
Bleacher Report is down.
This is that he's straight.
Hey, Predator.
Oh, hey.
So, like,
You have a great form. You have a great
Oh, yeah, you like-
form.
I work out a lot. I like climb trees and...
That's funny. I work out a lot too.
Two, I think he just wants a gym partner.
But he's already so ripped. What would he need me for?
Let's ask him that one question that'll determine whether he's straight or gay.
Oh, damn it. Carson Wentz has a muscle tear injury?
I don't know what you're saying, but it's so cute when you say it.
He plays for the...
I'm sorry. You have a new gym buddy, and you don't have time for me anymore, and I'm getting a little bit suspicious because my girlfriend said they got a vibe from you anyways.
Okay. Well, listen, you should know I'm totes straight, okay? And I know, I think, dude,
Hey, word on the Monster Street is you've been not eating humans.
right. Yeah, I don't eat humans.
Because it is alien Hanukkah soon.
Xenomorph.
What?
Xenomorph? That's a predator.
That's a predator?
Yes.
I couldn't tell because his bottom half was invisible. Oh, that's the sign.
Yeah. I don't think it's gonna work out.
But you should believe in yourself and go for it anyway.
Guys, you know it's been hard for me since Mr. Xena. What's my name? Xenomorph. Since Mr. Xenomorph got flambéed by Ripley. I was in bed for a whole weekend just watching when Blarb met Blarbly.
Yes, now you're trying to get back in the market.
Get back in the game.
Yes. But I don't think a predator is the right move.
Oh, he's eating dogs.
You're better than that.
Yeah, I need a man to be a human.
I'm sated.
Oh, he is sexy.
I know, I thought you almost said Satan. I was into it.
Hey, Samantha Xenomorphs.
Don't you hate it when you're with a Xenon and he's all, no, don't poke me there, and you're all, I'm already there.
So true.
It's like, my body is like 40% mouths. How am I supposed to know what's not penetrable? Am I right, Xenomorphs?
You're right.
Cheers. That's so
Just
beautiful.
because our blood is acid and it burns through their flesh, they're like,
like,
wah.
Well, we're not gonna fuck on your period because your blood is acid. Am I right?
And when you're going down on him with your mouth inside of a mouth inside of a mouth, they're like teeth. Time out! Time out! Time out!
Time out. We've had a lot of fun tonight joking on the patriarchy. And we're mad aware that we're 5 men. We're very cognizant of the plight that it takes on a woman
Yes.
to have sex in society without acid blood.
Wow, yeah.
Let's talk on that. We have 3 minutes, I think.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. But we can totally handle this in 30 seconds.
I wanted to rap about this.
Yeah, rap.
Okay, rap.
Oh, rap with it. It's hard to be a girl in this world. Now just quote your Madonna song.
Because you. Oh.
Again.
Oh.
I went into a deep part of my mind. It's called, you know how Steam Xenomorph can have sex, like, for hours?
Yeah.
Right.
Because of the tantric.
Oh, yeah, Xenomorph tantric.
Oh.
Yeah. I went into that part of my body, but it's just me and me.
So you wouldn't have had an orgasm without it.
Of course! Let's go in a circle and count the number of orgasms we've had just during brunch. 12.
12.
12.
11 plus 1.
Oh, 12.
12.
Samantha's. You keep me on the edge of my seat.
Cheers.
What was it like going deep in your mind like that? Like how deep? Deep, deep?
Yeah. Was it like a face hugger deep?
Well, you know we have a face hugger that also has a G-spot like our big face hugger. I don't know the American word for it.
Ooh.
But I bet it's good.
Hey, Samantha, your tab is covered by a Mr. Big Xenon over there.
Mr. Big
Mr. Big Xenon has got the bill covered.
Samantha, you said you were gonna give him the snip snip.
I did.
Well, you obviously
Snip,
let him
snip.
come back.
Well, we can tell him that we don't need no Mr. Big's tab.
He can pay mine. Though.
Yeah.
We don't need anything else.
Oh, it came off. We're stuck.
Oh my god.
I love escape rooms,
I was
but this
gonna
is so
say.
scary.
This is too real.
Well, it's fine. Look, in the escape room, there's usually just like a person, right? You can just
Michael, have you tried the knob? Put the
I
knob
did!
back
The knob
in.
came off! The knob came off, Jonathan!
Use your spare knob. Use your
Put the
spare
knob back in.
knob.
Put the knob back in. Try the knob again.
Okay, guys, when you scream at me, I like really shut down, okay?
Fine. Oh my God, did you just kill?
I don't know what to do!
Kill somebody!
Put the glove back in the door!
Put it up!
Put it up! Put it up!
Put the blood back in!
Wait, do the knob on the door and the blood back in the body.
What is that?
Blood in the body, knob on the door.
What?
Oh my God, his spine popped out!
Sorry.
I put the spine back in his body, put the blood bain his body, put the doorknob in the door!
You guys, this is supposed to be a Christian youth camp bonding trip. We're killing people.
My stone cold son killed him, and the doorknob doesn't work on the door.
Well, oh my shit.
I didn't know what to do, he was freaking out, and I just wanted to get the doorknob in the door and his blood back in his body and his spine back in his body.
How are we gonna get the fuck out? How are we gonna get out?
Oh, it doesn't work.
Damn. I'm supposed to kill you right now because that's like the pattern. Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it.
I know we're all evil doctor actors at escape rooms. But me, Dr. Terror, I want to unionize.
Yes, we need rights. We need breaks.
We need breaks.
We need bumps for when the people yell at us or spit on us. It should be an extra fee.
We should get a pay bump.
A
That's
pay
why
bump.
we're striking.
Did you bring signs for us all? Or you organized this meeting and didn't tell us.
Well, we can
Because
share
part
the
of
ones.
being a union is we share
Share.
things.
I don't
you
really
know?
want to carry a
I feel
sign.
like you're like
Out for
your
yourself.
own.
For your own.
Yeah.
Wow, Doctor.
I want to be in a one-person union. Listen to yourself. You're letting capitalism eat your brains. I want to be in a 5-person union with you guys, and I only made one sign because I don't know. It took like 8 hours.
It's pretty bitchin' sign.
Very evil of you.
Yeah, well, we're going to be out here for like 7 hours, so how come you only got...
All right, what are your demands?
5 signs. 5 signs. We are not budging on that.
Here you go.
You just have those signs ready?
Yeah. So you're done picketing then? Your demands are met?
No, we also
No,
want...
No.
No,
We also want like
no, we're
dental... We can talk about this part.
Like,
Dental.
we just wanted to do it together.
Days off?
Here, let's just
Days
like
off?
on the count of 3, let's just say what we want.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
So be a
Better
millionaire!
food to Ithaca.
Yes.
I said better
Be
food.
millionaire.
I said marriage.
Free trip to Ithaca. My grandma's really sick.
I can
Can we-
grant one of those wishes.
Oh, it's all of us are none, sir.
I can grant the trip to...
Ithaca, New York.
Ithaca, New York.
Upper State New
I don't
York.
want to go to Ithaca.
I can grant that.
I don't
gotta
want to
be
be
long.
an Ithaca man. I don't like
One
Ithaca
person.
man.
Guys, I feel like I'm the only one that made my own sign.
You made your own sign and you're asking for 5 signs?
Wow.
That's all we talked about at the
We need to
meeting.
go on strike from this friendship.
I agree.
I made
We're
a sign.
striking you both.
I only made
So what do you guys want from this friendship?
On the count
More
of 3,
signs?
let's all say it.
1,
2, 3.
Vulnerability!
Vulnerability!
I want your money.
I just want us to be more vulnerable with each other and kind of like open up.
I just wanted to know.
Let's be vulnerable
Oh my
right now.
God, you guys.
Let's be vulnerable right now.
Sometimes I'm so scared. I just need a hug.
I know, I'm like working 7 escape rooms a day in LA.
I'm not really evil, and I'm playing an evil doctor. It really takes toll on my inner soul.
I didn't get enough sleep last night, and I'm afraid that I'll fall asleep.
I'm a bottom feeder and I fuck all your boyfriends after you guys are done with them.
We said be vulnerable!
I'm sorry, that's...
Samantha, come on!
It's okay. It's said after we're done with them. I mean, I've tossed them aside. I'm good with that.
It's like dumpster diving, but with X.
Yeah.
And we all as a society love dumpster diving.
And
Yeah.
everyone is everyone. Someone else's second.
You guys, let's go in that dumpster right now.
Yes.
I don't go back and get my man.
Well,
But you
it's
can
clearly
have it.
established I love trash, whether it's X's or dumpsters, and here I go.
Go get it.
He was the
Guys.
weakest link in the strike.
I got everything I wanted. Michael's in the trash can.
Oh, she's kind of true.
Hey guys, I found a tuna fish sandwich.
Stop fucking our boyfriend.
Swing that hammer.
Yeah. Get it.